You know, there's a lot of false information out there right now about the 2026 TW200 and all the fancy new features and everything, but we are going to set the record straight right now. I'm Matt. Welcome to Mob Street. I am out here with my 2026 TW200. Now, I bought this bike in August over at the dealership, and the VIN on there pulls this up as a 2026 TW200. Now you might be thinking, who cares? Well, let me tell you, I've had a few folks comment recently and say, hey, have you seen the videos on the 2026 TW200? And I've even seen some of the videos, and you guys, I'm here to tell you, there are some channels out there who are using AI and AI generated pictures of 2026 TW200s. With this being a 2026, nothing on here has really changed in the last 25 years with this one. When it comes to the TW200, there's not a lot of changes. Obviously, there's a few cosmetics things. There are a few graphics changes. There might be like different turn signals or housings and stuff like that that have been updated. But overall, the 2026 TW200 is just like all the other year TWs. Now, one of the comments said, hey, have you seen the 2026 TW? Check out the video. And as I watched the video, you guys, it is extremely obvious that this is AI generated stuff. Like, you look at the way the guy's riding, the way the bike's moving, and you can tell it is not a real rider on this bike. Some of the photos that I've seen, AI generated photos, when they zoom in on the bike, when they zoom in right here, and you can clearly see that it says Yamaha, you can see that it says TW, you can see that it says Yamaha. The wording, I mean, it's not even English, which it's blatantly obvious that Yamaha has their stuff stamped out. They've been spelling Yamaha for quite a while. If it was a true picture of a Yamaha motorcycle, pretty sure they wouldn't have any trouble spelling their name. So, there are, like I said, some AI videos out there of folks riding these bikes and different pictures of all the new styling and everything on the TW200. But if Yamaha were coming out with a new TW, you guys fact check things, would you please? Go to the Yamaha website and look and see what it is that they've got on there. And if there's something new for the TW, chances are one of the first places it'll be, because it will be a huge thing for all of us with the TW crowd. That's the first place that we would go. We would check Yamaha's site and see, hey, did they do a TW350? Hey, did they add fuel injection? Hey, did they add rear disc brakes? Hey, did they give us different forks that are adjustable? Hey, did they give us this, you know, an adjustable suspension? Did they give us different handlebars? Did they give us different lights? Did they give us any other electronics on the bike, which folks have been asking on the TW for years? So, this is just, I don't know, you could call it the Mob Street PSA. This is a 2026 TW200. And I try to come up and bring out videos of the newest TWs as soon as I find them. I've been doing that for the last 6 years with the TW200. Other folks have been doing it as well. And if there is something new coming to the TW200, I hope, if not me, plenty of other known TW gurus. I'm not a self-proclaimed guru. I'm just saying, those of us who really love the TW, if there's something new that is coming, we're going to do our best to make sure that we get it on our channel so that you guys can see it and be excited with us, because we love this bike. We absolutely love it. And it's just, it's fun, it's simple. Obviously, there's a lot of reasons why folks don't like it, but who cares? We absolutely love it for what it is and for its unapologetic you know, stance on just remaining the same since pretty much 1987. So I hate to burst anybody's bubble, but, and I hope I'm wrong. If something new for the 2026 TW does come out, we will do our best to let you know. Obviously, I'm not the brightest crayon in the box. Everybody who's watched any of my videos knows that. It's blatantly apparent. But if something new does come up for the TW200s, I hope that you guys will fact check it, that you will just take a closer look at the videos and the images of these things, and before you get overly excited about it, which I understand the excitement on a brand new TW. I really do. And I love to have freaking money down on a brand new one whenever it shows up. But before you do any of that, just check things, check the Yamaha website. And if there's questions, or if you've seen something that maybe I haven't, like I said, not the brightest. If you have seen things that are truly from Yamaha, that it's a new TW, let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe, follow along for as much TW content as I can possibly make. I'm Matt, this is Mob Street with my 2026 TW200, and we will see you guys in the next one.